Code Dice Software and Research is going to establish a new bridge between technology, innovation, and cutting edge software solutions in the future of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Atmanirbhar Odisha. So I first congratulate the founder, Mr. Surendra Kumar Panda, who has given his whole effort to establish this pioneer company, startup we can say, which is inlining the technology of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cyber security, converging with the cutting edge software solutions. So I really congratulating to the localites also, who are going to have have a particular company nearby them, okay, and going to get software solutions by providing some problems to the founder, and it will definitely come a pioneer Fortune 500 company. I am thinking in future it will be in line towards the Atmanirbhar Odisha with respect to software. And as IT field is now prolifying with all Odia software architects across India, even across globe, our Odia software professionals are really doing tremendous job, not only in India, across the globe. In many companies you will find, okay, many project manager, team leader, developers are from Odia. Those are all Odisha's professionals who has passed out their professional career, engineering career by studying in Odisha, even IITs, NITs, and abroad. So one thing I could see the vision of this particular company, which basically is a trailblazer in innovation and converging both cutting edge technology with the latest trend of web engineering and the software development, testing, manual automated testing, all those features. So I saw the vision of the founder is really okay, long term vision, and I am congratulating him, okay, and congratulating to whole localites of this Khandagiri, okay, to have this IT company which is converging both research and innovation with software solution will be a means a future pioneer of Odisha software industries. And we are looking forward such kind of company like Code.ds, okay, which will put milestone and they will give their 100% effort. Their IT developers are going to give their 100% effort to make produce the latest trend software solutions which will help the humankind of not only Odisha but also India as well as across the globe. Thank you.
श्री अशोक कुमार साहू मु जने योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर आउ विभिन्न प्रकार स्कूल कॉलेज रे पिला मन को योगा रो जोटा कि प्रैक्टिस करूची एवं ओटीवी एवं प्रार्थना टीवी रे मोर सब दिन प्रोग्राम आछी आउ आगे नहीं बहुत तो बढ़िया मत देखी कि माने बहुत खुशी लागला जी जे खंडगिर पूरा हार्ट ऊपर ए जिंसटी जोटा कि इंस्टीट्यूशन टी बहुत माने बाधा विघ्न सहित भी करा जाईची ଆଉ ଯେକୌଣସି ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନରେ କରିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାରର ବାଧା ବିଘ୍ନ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଗତି କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଥାଏ, ତେଣୁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ, ଆମେ ତ ପୁରା ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ରେ ଅଛେ। ଆଉ ପିଲାମାନେ ବି ବହୁତ ବହୁଳ ପରିମାଣରେ ବି ଏଠି ଜଏନ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ପାଠ ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ମେଣ୍ଟାଲି ଫିଜିକାଲି ସେମିତି ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ହେବ। କାହିଁକିନା ଆମର ମେନ୍ ମୋଟୋ ହେଲା ଆୱାର ଏମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଟୁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ସୋସାଇଟି, ଆୱାର ଏମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଟୁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଟୁ ବିକମ୍ ଏ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ବିଙ୍ଗସ୍ and good citizens. So the practice of meditation, yogasan, general education and also physical training. It is also essential that they render the humanitarian, educational and philanthropic services. Because if we do various types of our postures, yogasan and also that same effortless process, if we are doing our work with great satisfaction, then it brings the fulfillment in every field of our life. Not only the development in full mental potential and foundation of good health is achieved, but also the development in social behavior and fundamental of world peace must be established, because individuals are the basis unity of society. How? Because the peaceful individuals create peaceful families. The peaceful families create a peaceful society. The peaceful society create a peaceful nation, and a peaceful nation spontaneously create a peaceful world. So by the peace of individuals, the world peace must be established. So if the students are always doing the yogasan, meditation and also their general education, computer science, any other activities, if they are doing their meditation program and yoga class, then it brings the fulfillment in every field of their life. It brings profound rest to our nervous system. It neutralizes the existing tensions in our body and alleviating the causes of the psychosomatic diseases. It revitalizing and rejuvenating influences in our body, and it increases energy and efficiency in action. Only take 15 to 20 minutes, then it brings the fulfillment in every field of our life. We feel more energetic, more dynamic, more peace, more bliss, more harmony. We do not feel any type of drowsiness and tiredness, and it brings the fulfillment in every field of our life. So meditation, yogasan, in that same effortless process, if you are doing your studies also, then it is the 200% of our life. 100% is the materialistic life, and another 100% is the spiritualist life. So that's why it is the very much institute and very good institute, and it brings the fulfillment in every field of our life.
कुमार पंडा मु ए कोडाय सॉफ्टवेयर एंड रिसर्च प्राइवेट लिमिटेड रो प्रतिष्ठाता। एक्चुअली देखो कोडाइस 2021 मसीह स्टार्ट होता गोटे ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म आउ यूट्यूब चैनल आकार रे, जोटा कि 2024 रो शेष सुधा आमे ताकू रियल सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी को स्टार्ट करने ये कलु, जोटा कि आमे प्राइवेट लिमिटेड रो मान्यता पाइलु मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर एमसीए ठारू नवेम्बर मसरे आज यहाँ आम इनागुरेसन करुचु। देखो आम कोडाइस सॉफ्टवेयर एंड रिसर्च प्राइवेट लिमिटेड अंडर रे रोचे कोडाइस एकेडमी, जो कि आम ट्रेनिंग दौचु। तो एबे जाए आम तो ऑनलाइन ने बहुत थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट को ऑनलाइन ने पढ़ाईचु, ऑफलाइन ने भी आसीचु 100+ स्टूडेंट आमर मल्टीपल बैचेस रे अछंती, आउ ता सहित ऑनलाइन भी आमर जारी रही। आउ रहा एटा गला कोडाइस एकेडमी बाबद रे। कोडाइस सॉफ्टवेयर एंड रिसर्च प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एठी आमे कोन करूछु डिफरेंट टाइप रो आईटी सर्विसेज एंड कंसल्टिंग आमे डिफरेंट वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट है, आपनकर एआई बेस्ड सॉल्यूशन है, ए सब प्रकार आईओटी बेस्ड सॉल्यूशन है, डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट आमे क्लाइंट मानकर प्रोजेक्ट सहित इन हाउस प्रोजेक्ट मध्ये आमे करूछु। तो आमर एटा गोटे कोडाइस ग्रुप भितर आमर एबे कोडाइस गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर रोची, आ गोटे कोडाइस एकेडमी रोची। एकेडमी रे आमे प्रायतः स्किल ओरिएंटेड ट्रेनिंग को फोकस करूछु, आउ आमर सॉफ्टवेयर एंड रिसर्च रे रिसर्च इनोवेशन आमे बहुत सारा टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी टॉप रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट रो डिफरेंट प्रोफेसर मानक सहित कोऑर्डिनेटर अच्छु, से आम सहित कोलाबोरेशन अच्छी। आम रिसर्च इनोवेशन सहित सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट को कोडाइस सॉफ्टवेयर एंड रिसर्च प्राइवेट लिमिटेड रे देखो कोडाइस गोटे ग्रुप। कोडाइस रे आमे एबे दुईटी दिन ओपन करछु, गोटे कोडाइस सॉफ्टवेयर आ गोटे होची कोडाइस एकेडमी। कोडाइस सॉफ्टवेयर रो मुख्य लक्ष्य होची भुवनेश्वर एबे आगामी दिन रे गोटे आईटी कैपिटल होआ पई जाउची आपनकर हैदराबाद बेंगलोर परे। तो आमे जदी एबे ग्रोइंग रे अछि, तो ई स्टेज आमको लागु जे बेस्ट स्टेज ओडिसा रा पिला माने नो डाउट जाउचंती हैदराबाद बेंगलोर जाउचंती, से माने पढुचंती कोर्स भी करूचंती, तापर भी जॉब करूचंती, व्हाई नॉट ओडिसा रे। तो सेति पय दीटा दिन स्टार्ट करिछु, पिला एठी पढिबो, पिला एठी चाकरी करिवो। मोर मुख्य विजन होउची 2029 सुधा 5 वर्ष भितरे 500 रु ऊर्ध्व एम्प्लॉय को नियुक्ति दबा, एवं जेते अधिक रु अधिक छात्र छात्री को शिक्षा टेक्निकल शिक्षा रे पढ़ेबा सेटा मोर लक्ष्य। एवं भविष्य रे माने होची आमे मे मासरे प्लान करिछु गोटे कोडाइस जूनियर लॉन्च करिवु, जो धर कि आम मुख्य लक्ष्य होची एबे कॉलेज और पिला मानू को आमे कोन करूचे बेसी हमर आपनकर पाइथन हैला एआई हैला ई सब दिन पढ़ौचे। आमे चाहू टेक्नोलॉजी को गोटे स्कूल पिला छोट लेवल ले 18 वर्ष रु कम पिला हो कि आपन स्टैंडर्ड 6 हो 7 हो 8 हो से पिला केमिति टेक्नोलॉजी सहित एक्वेंटेड हबो सेटा हमर कोड डैश जूनियर लक्ष्य जोटा कि आमे आगामी दिन रे करिवा पय जाउछु
pollution control, green energy, smart city, and all such applications. And yeah, I have discussed with most of the top-notch people of Odisha. I have led, stayed here, living good organization, 52 years. Produced the highest number of doctoral students in engineering in Odisha. Nobody has done. Having spent so much of time India, having highly potential breeding, but they are migrating. Odia people now in top-notch position in India and outside. Now, this IT, information technology, is the future. IT with the application of artificial intelligence, smart IT, is the future. I was talking to some of the expert doctors in AIMS. They come to me. We can't replace doctor, but we can guide the doctor to take corrective diagnosis. And such types of activities in Odisha need to be done, which has not been done in any part of the country. I'll give a simple example. This we should advertise. Veterinary people. You see, in India, particularly in Odisha, many animals, they do not belong to anybody's house. Cat, dog, they are moving on the roads. They are also suffering. I'm telling, through IT and artificial intelligence, can such a device be built, a device like this, where you put on the animals who are moving on the roads. Cat is also not feeling well. Dogs are moving. Cows, ox are moving. Their health condition is also sometimes not good. This device, whatever IT intelligent device, will pick up the signal, analyze, and guide the animal to go to veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor will see the animal has come, means he is unwell, and through this signal intercepted, they will know the cause, what type of problem is. This is not happened. These types of animals all over the world, they do not. In India, animals moves on the roads, do not get food, die. Sometimes they harm, but such people detection of their health condition will help in a good way. I'm sure IT and his organization, this organization, will surely come up with this type of thing. I can understand. It doesn't require an engineer to understand. So